I'm going to read English newspaper. Village near Belgavi holds Bapu's teachings dear even 75 years after independence. Even as Belgavi is all decked up to welcome the Congress leaders to commemorate the 100 years of Mahatma Gandhi presiding the party's only session as its president in 1924 here, but there is a village just 25 kilometers away from the city where Bapu spent 7 days, and the villagers here still follows his principles, with none of them consuming alcohol and tobacco products, and also becoming self-reliant by adopting khadi works. Hudli, situated just 25 kilometers away from Belgavi, is one of the villages known for practicing khadi and also adopting the principles of Mahatma Gandhi. About still 200 villagers are indulged in the work of khadi and charkha, and about 1000 people are engaged in preparing the woven towels, bed sheets, and other clothes. The people in Hudli village still remember the visit of Mahatma Gandhi and the hut, along with other 500 huts, which was prepared for his stay in 1937. The villagers here recall that how the huts were damaged in Hudli village when Mahatma Gandhi had arrived there on the request of Gangadhar Rao Deshpande, who was very instrumental in instrumental instrumental in bringing Bapu to Belgavi in 1924 for his lone presidential meeting for the Congress. Recalling the visit of Mahatma Gandhi, C.B. Modki mentioned that Gandhiji came to the village on the request of the Deshpande. He said for the Congress leaders there were 500 huts that were constructed. However, due to heavy rain and storm, all the huts were damaged. Then they were shifted to Kumari Ashram. Even when heavy rains were there, Bapu every day came to village and addressed the villagers. Modgi said that Gandhiji, during his visit, asked the villagers here to adopt khadi for self-reliance, and since then, khadi became a way of life. Modgi said that about 200 villagers came forward for taking up charkha, and since then that tradition is still alive in the village. He also said that about 1000 villagers have taken up the work of weaving charkha and others, and they have become self-reliant, the path shown by Mahatma Gandhi. Recalling another moment about Harijan Cariappa while showing his picture. Modge, who is now 84, said Mahatma Gandhi about Cariappa. that what he does to this. Cariappa replied that they build leather slippers, and then Mahatma Gandhi asked for one, and the same was presented to him in 7 days by Cariappa, which Bapu took with him. Modge said that leather slipper of Mahatma Gandhi is kept in the national capital in museum. Meanwhile, Raghavendra, who is the secretary of the Khadi Center in Mudli, said that he was happy the way in which people in the village are still following the path of non-violence, self-reliance, saying not to alcohol and tobacco products, and not fighting and eradicating untouchability in the village. Thank you guys for watching this.